This is my first in-person workshop. If someone sees you on social media, what do you want them to say about you or to say about your business? That's the first question you should ask. If I can do it myself, you can do it also.
Today we had a really great workshop by Melon at MelRish Studio.
Well, Mel's own story of how she improved her social media exposure and how she managed to really cut through the competition using her own authenticity.
Felt very comfortable to be around Melon and ask her questions.
Yeah, and I think it's opened up a lot of our eyes onto what LinkedIn can offer.
I just want to really say thank you for all your insightful knowledge about the minefield that is LinkedIn.
You are amazing and you can shine brightly just being yourself.